Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to our weekly market roundup. I'm Rafa, and today I'm here together with Dimitro, and we have a lot to cover. Hello, Dimitro, how are you doing today?
Hello, Rafa. I'm doing very good, and good afternoon, everyone. As always, we'll take you through everything that matters this week. It's macroeconomics, shutdown, and of course, crypto, with a sharp focus on Bitcoin's next move. And I already see Soda in our chat. Hello, Soda. As always, we're so happy
Hello,
to see you
Soda.
here.
Welcome back again today for another live. Yesterday was interesting scalp session with me and
Yeah.
Dimitro. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. So, what do you think
And
about this week, Rafa?
yeah, I think it's been an intense week. We finally got some relief after all the uncertainty caused by the U.S. government. But there is something even bigger, something that could shape markets for months.
Yeah, exactly. The Federal Reserve is doing something major, shifting from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing. That's, ladies and gentlemen, and yeah, it's really a historic pivot.
Yeah. We have here article from Reuters. You can see, guys, that the Fed is winding down balance sheet contraction amid tightening money markets. So today we will break down what this means for traders, investors, and of course for crypto lovers who are looking at Bitcoin right now and thinking, is this the beginning of something?
Yeah, so grab your coffee, everyone, and let's get into the macro picture first. Rafa, let's start it.
Oh yeah. Let's start. So, let's start first with the U.S. Shutdown. As all you know, the federal government was essentially stuck for weeks. No funding, no operations, and crucially for us, no macro data like CPI, unemployment, retail sales, all frozen.
Yeah, and this is actually very important because when market fly blind without data, uncertainty, yes, it skyrockets. So investors don't know whether inflation is rising or falling, whether employment is stable, whether consumer spending is weakening. Am I right, Rafa?
Yeah, you you are totally right, Dimitri. You're totally right. And yeah, now thanks to the temporary agreement between the government and the Congress, things are moving again. Is that like a good news for
Yeah,
you?
we'll start getting the missing reports in the coming days. So yeah, that's actually means the next 2 3 weeks will be full of macro releases. So I think, Rafa, we're gonna do more live streams with news. Yeah.
Yeah, we are here. We are here. So, just to show you guys, you can see the CPI release from October. So, CPI for all item rises 0.3% in September. And for next week, we are full of important news. As you can see on Wednesday and Tuesday, the red folder is the main event. So we have like the phone meeting, the unemployment claims, and the flash service PMI. But the real story, the one that could shift everything, is the Fed. The Fed. So as confirmed in this week's phone meeting, the Fed is stopping the quantitative tightening and is launching a new round of asset purchases. What do you think,
Yeah.
Dimitro?
Yeah, in simple terms, quantitative easing is back. So liquidity is coming back into the system. And every time liquidity rises, risk assets, so stock, crypto, tech, it's all tend to benefit.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's true. That's true. And this also tells us something important, that the Fed sees a deeper than expected slowdown. They are acting early this time, maybe to prevent a recession or credit tightening. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah, sure. And right now, let's talk about impact on financial markets. So, yeah, first, like the question. So, what does the shift from QT to QE mean for financial markets? So, historically, although not 100% of the time, these pivots leads to massive rallies. And where it was, Rafa?
Yeah, yeah. I don't have the charts here to show you guys, but I remember. Think of the previous QE cycles in 2009, 2012,
Yeah,
and
and
the
2020, yeah?
last one. Sorry.
And 2020, yeah, as well.
Yeah, yeah, you're. I think so. I don't remember exactly, but I think you are right. Yeah, that 2020 markets exploded upward after liquidity injection. So it doesn't guarantee a bull market, of course, guys, but it significantly increases the probability.
Yeah, and for traditional assets, we may see renewed appetite for tech, growth sector, and anything connected to innovation, actually.
Yeah, yeah, and for crypto, liquidity is oxygen. I mean, for financial markets, liquidity is the real oxygen. And when money flows, Bitcoin and altcoins usually move first. But right now, the momentum is very bearish. The sentiment, as we can see, is negative. So let me ask everyone here a question. Do you think this could mark the beginning of a new macro driven bull cycle, or is the market still too negative? In my opinion, I think we can see a drastic fall around crypto and reach lower price levels before a reversal.
Yeah,
Dimitro, you think the same?
yeah, that definitely makes sense. And moreover, we can say that, yeah, Bitcoin showing what in the last day. I mean, it's falling. Yeah. So let's do some analysis, Rafa, because yeah, Bitcoin really dropped like a knife. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
I just saw the chart, and yeah,
yeah. We we
let's do
we
some
have the
analysis.
chart. Yeah, we have the chart here, guys. So from the last peak of 6 October, Bitcoin fell
Oh, more than
minus
twenty
20.
percent.
Yeah, 23%. So is a huge correction. Actually, we are really in a bearish market. Is clear downtrend. As you can see, guys, I just draw a parallel channel. So we broke the 106K support that it holds for weeks. And today we broke the 100K support, and we are pushing down. This 4 hour candle after Wall Street opening. It looks like it's pushing up a little bit. But yeah, the trend is bearish. We have short volume. Let me drive the profile volume to show you more inside the structure. So you can see the POC level is on 110K, and now we are on an empty volume zone. So we are moving far away from the massive block that contains volume. So
Yeah, I'm
this
really
was.
wondering, Rafa, one thing. So can we move to 1 day chart and maybe see, because Bitcoin right now I see it's rebounding a bit too long. Yeah, so maybe we have some key zones there from previous.
Yeah,
Maybe.
actually, yeah, the problem, yeah, you're right. The problem is that there is a key zone here on 92,
Yeah.
but we can drop. more 4%. And let me draw maybe a volume profile from here to see. So yeah, you can see here we
Yes,
have a
exactly.
small, yeah, we have a small support here. So the price, if keep falling like this, could like reach this level, maybe stays in a sideways and then go back again to 84k. So here
Mhm.
is the this zone is the huge support for the next leg down. We could see maybe reverse move, but it's quite hard because now the sentiment is negative, very
So you
very
you are
negative.
bearish till 2026, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, for now I'm bearish. I will I mean, of course it's not financial advice, but like
Yeah,
personally, I will look only to sell the highs,
yeah,
and I don't want to buy any deep because it's very dangerous. So as you can see, it's very clear. We have one down leg here. Let me take the brush. One down leg here, two, three, four, five. So we complete the Elliott wave. We
yeah,
could see six leg up here and then go down again. So if we retest the 100 k level, maybe short sellers will um, step in again.
yeah,
So yeah, looking at the total crypto market cap, however, liquidity remains stagnant. So uh, that is a good point, but we are seeing massive outflow from ETF. I just posted on our X this article, guys. So in only one day, we have seen over 1 billion flows out of crypto ETFs. So, which means institutions are very cautious for now.
yeah. Yeah, so chat question right now. What do you think break first? Bitcoin about support or altcoins exploding or on liquidity? What's your personal opinion, Rafa? So Bitcoin above support or altcoins exploding on liquidity?
Bitcoin above support because
Yeah,
yeah, altcoins take more time, and of course they always follow Bitcoin.
yeah.
So I expect Bitcoin above the support first.
Okay, so let's talk right now about data and upcoming events. What we'll have for the next week, Rafa?
Yeah, yeah. The next week's macro calendar is packed, as you can see here, guys. And these events can cause volatility across all markets.
Yeah, so
Um,
we have FOMC minutes,
yeah, here.
unemployment rates, yeah,
Yeah,
yes, and PMI service.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
exactly, yeah.
PMI service. Yeah, the unemployment claims and the phone meeting minutes that is very important.
So yeah, let's
So don't,
explain that red color is very important, yes, and yellow is not that important. Yeah, I
yeah,
mean in
yeah,
impact.
correct. You can see high impact expected,
Yeah,
orange is medium impact expected, and yellow is quite useless. So I usually track only uh, the red symbol here.
yeah, I'm sure.
And I mean, most of them, of course, are from United States of America, because as you
Yeah,
can see, guys, there are many countries: Australia, Japan, UK, Euro, but of course, the main events and data are from America. So there is so yeah, don't be surprised if we see sudden spikes in volatility around these announcements. Markets are still trying to digest the pivot. So, guys, to summarize, Let's say that the shutdown is temporary fix. Macro data is coming back, and the Fed has officially pivot the liquidity that is returning.
Yeah, but market as are really extremely bearish, and negative Bitcoin is falling violent, and the technical structure looks bad. Yeah, so we really can see the big bearish movement as Rafa just did analysis for us. So yeah, we really expect to fall a bit more, but again, it's not not financial
Yeah, yeah, this is
idea.
not financial advice, it's just analysis, guys,
Yeah.
and reflection. I like to share my opinion on that as Dimitro is doing. So use your own strategy, manage your risk, and trade smart, of course.
Yeah, if you're enjoying the session, leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell. So yeah, we go live every week to keep you ahead of the macro and crypto curves, and we will do that next week as well for very important situation on the market. Yeah, Rafa.
Yeah, correct. So this live, guys, was a bit short, but just to give you a recap about the overall situation on crypto, on events. Next week will be definitely more interesting since, as we just show you, there are events and data being released that could affect the market. So stay tuned and be in touch with you. So thanks, everyone, and have a good trade. Thanks, Dimitro.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Thanks you, Rafa, and bye.
See you. Bye.